Welcome to my class. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Today I will take class on punctuation for class 7. Let's get started. I am Shamaras Bishwas, Assistant Teacher English, Shapur Secondary Girls School. Dear students, look at the screen. Here you are seeing some punctuation marks. At first here full stop, comma, semicolon, colon dash, colon, question mark, exclamation mark, inverted commas and dash. So our topic is today based on the use of punctuation. Dear students, what do you see in the picture? Yes, you all know that it is a plane. A plane. How will you feel if you have a plane journey? Undoubtedly, it will be great. Wow! Wow! It will be great. What do we call the red marks in the sentences? Yes, we call punctuation. We call them punctuation. Okay. So our topic is today punctuation. What do you see in the picture? Yes, it's a car. I like this car. I like this car. I like this car. Can you tell me what is the wrong with the sentence? Yes, there is a gap of full stop because the sentence has completed, but there is no symbol of no punctuation at last, and the gap is full stop. So at the end of the sentence there will be full stop. Next, wow, what a nice vegetables. Here are some vegetables. They are capsicum, cucumber, tomato, onion, chili and mint. So can you tell me what is wrong with the sentence? Please brainstorm. Try. What is the mistake here? I think you have thought. Yes. Here some mistakes of punctuation. There is no comma after capsicum. There is no comma cucumber. There is no comma tomato. There is no comma on onion. And this is the mistake because there is no punctuation mark of comma. So, dear students, if there are more than two same part of speech, there will be comma after is but last two, because the last two we add and. Okay. Next, wow, what is the name of the flower? Do you know what is the name of the flower? Yes, it is sunflower. So, can you tell me what is wrong with the sentence? What is the name of the flower? In this sentence, what is the mistake? Yes, you are right, because there is no question mark here. In this sentence, there is no question mark. So, it is the mistake. There is no punctuation of question mark. Okay. So, after the interrogative sentence, there will be question mark. Don't forget. Okay. Next, wow, a nice bird. Okay. Wow, the bird is very beautiful. Here is a mistake here, because here is a lack of punctuation. Can you gauge? Okay. Here is a lack of punctuation. What? Sure. I think that you have done. Wow, because the lack is note of exclamation. Okay. After the interjection words such as hurrah, alas, wow, etc., there will be exclamatory marks. There will be exclamatory mark. Wow, how beautiful the garden is. Can you tell me what is wrong with the sentence? Yes, you have done well, I think that, because there is a lack of punctuation of exclamation mark. At the end of the exclamatory sentence, there will be exclamatory mark. Okay. So, here is a sentence. The teacher said to the students, may you pass in the examination. Can you tell me what is the wrong with the sentence? What is the wrong with the sentence? Yes, here is a lack of comma, inverted comma, comma, inverted comma. Okay. So, if you see the sentence is direct speech, then you will use inverted comma. So, direct speech will be in inverted comma. Dear students, I hope you have understood all the punctuation. Now, we can start some practice. Okay. Take the punctuation marks from the box and say which punctuation marks will be suitable for which sentences. Okay. At first, where are you going? Which punctuation symbol is suitable? Let's see. Yes, question mark is suitable for this sentence. Next, hurrah, we have won the game. Here the correct punctuation is note of exclamation. Number 3, I love my country very much. What is the gap? What is the suitable punctuation here? Yes, it is full stop. It is full stop. 4, I usually take bread, jelly, banana and apple as my breakfast. Okay. So, here we see suitable punctuation here. Yes, comma, bread, comma, jelly, comma. Number 5, my sister says I like sunrise. Here we know that inverted comma is suitable in this sentence. Dear students, I hope you have done well. Read the following passage and rewrite the following passage with the correct punctuation marks. Oh, what a great journey it was. I went on my first train journey. I travelled Borishal to Khulna with my father, mother and brother. Do you like travelling? My father asked me in the train. I think that you will do well at your home, and don't move here and there without mask. Thank you very much.